Lesson 3 on setting. Today, we're going to take a look at why is the setting important in non-fiction books. Remember, the setting is the time, place, and environment in which a book takes place. But now let's think of how that's going to affect a non-fiction book. So if you remember right, the features of fiction versus nonfiction is that fictional books have characters, setting, plot, illustrations, theme. It can be real or fake, but it tells a story. Where nonfiction has the table of contents, main idea, a lot of it is giving information and facts about a subject or person. There's often a glossary and photographs. So how would a setting of nonfiction affect a nonfiction story? Well, we've discussed elements. We've discussed these elements of fiction versus nonfiction. And setting is definitely an important element of literature. But did you know that it's also useful in informational text? While you typically don't have a character and plot in a nonfiction text, there's usually a sense of time and place. In fact, sometimes entire books center around a specific setting. Today we're going to listen to a story called Marshes and Swamps. I want you to write the details of the setting on your whiteboard and think about how the details in the setting help you visualize the story or lesson the book was informing us about. I want you to make a T-chart, kind of like what you see right here with fiction and nonfiction. But instead of the word fiction, I want you to put marshes, swamps. And I want you to put all the different things that you notice about this setting, even if they're the same, but definitely the things that stand out as the differences between marshes and swamps.